All right, we're gonna go for a ride in a 1959 Ford Galaxie 500 Skyliner. So the Skyliner has that collapsible hardtop that goes down in the trunk. Pretty cool, unique car. They were way ahead of their time, man, when they did that. It's all electric too. There's really no hydraulics. It's all worm gears and relays and that sort of thing. And this one works. Great car though. This is a nice, solid car. Nice paint. It's raven black with red two-tone. It has some updated power disc brakes, which is really nice when you have a heavy car like this. It's nice to be able to stop. I mean, the old original brakes were okay for when you're going on the road with cars just like it, but nowadays, you know, everybody can stop pretty quick, so you still want to give yourself some room. But it's got factory power steering, wide white wall tires. It's a 352 V8. I think they were rated at about 300 horsepower. Seems to run real good. It's a survivor, you know. The car's never been really completely restored. It's got a couple rough edges here and there, but not bad. I mean, this car looks beautiful. On the front of the fender up there, it's missing a little emblem, which we have. We just have to get in there and put it on, but I wanted to get it out there for everybody to see, you know, get it advertised, and it's really, really nice, and not a whole lot of money. Some of these things bring in the 60 to 70 grand range. We're only asking $39,900 for this one. So there's room to spend a little bit of money on it if you want to make it a little bit nicer, but right now it's a driver. Take this thing in a parade or go cruising, and it seems to run real good. We're gonna go up here and take some pictures and some video for you. All right, here's a really neat, interesting car from the 50s. 1959 Ford Galaxie 500 Skyliner. This is one of those real cool ones where it's got a hardtop that comes up out of that giant trunk and latches up to the front. So it looks like a coupe when the top's up. Skyliners are pretty neat, way ahead of their time. This one's got lots of chrome trim. It's got those really cool polished fender skirts on there, stainless steel. Bumpers are in good shape. Raven black with the red two-tone. Looks really good going down the street. It's got the wide whites, the really nice deluxe wheel covers. Check those out. Red, white, and blue. Interior's real clean, real nice. Kind of just stock. This thing is a survivor, like I mentioned earlier. Car's never been completely restored. It's a deluxe model, which has the padded dash. Original radio in the dash there. I don't think it works, but those can be repaired, or people leave them in the dash and put like a custom auto sound in the glove box, you know, or carry along a Bluetooth speaker. Sounds better than any stereo used to in these cars. So, but the original steering wheel's in great condition. Windshield's in nice shape. It's got the dual mirrors, fender mount mirrors. Look at that giant grill on that thing. Just super cool. Windy here in Simi today. Well, it's a good looking car. A lot of car for the money too, and a great investment. Here's the top operation that everybody's gonna ask me to see how it works, so here we go. Go ahead, Carlos, push forward on it. Just keep holding it till I tell you to stop. Look at that. And there's that hardtop down in there. Just keep holding it. Yep, there you go. It does its own thing. Just keep holding it. There you go. There she comes. Look at that, man. There's your trunk, that little square tube right there. She comes right out of the back of the car. This little lip now is going to start extending. Look at this thing, man. This is so cool. And just keep holding it, Carlos. It's going to pull itself down. Little worm gears. And then that's going to fold. It's just going to come all the way down. Then you just keep holding that switch till it stops doing anything. That's it. All right, there's your top operation for everybody who's going to ask me. All right, thanks for watching. All right, here's the power plant in the 59 Skyliner. 352 Ford V8. These are good engines. This is the the next one up from the 312 from the earlier version of this car, 57. But pretty cool. It's got a 300 horsepower they're supposed to be rated at. Which is plenty of power for one of these. It's got the Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. And pretty cool. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Yeah, it runs real smooth. I think I mentioned earlier it's got updated power disc brakes. That makes a difference when you want to stop these cars. And the power steering feels real good. Motor's nice and quiet, runs decent and cool. 12-volt system. We'll go around the back and wrap it up a couple times for you. It's got nice dual exhaust. Yeah, sounds good, man. Really cool 50s cruiser. Got that rocket style. Little Galaxie. Anyhow, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. And my phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to give you a tour of the car if you're down this way. Thanks for watching.